Okay, all flight controllers, gonna go for landing. Control, go. Right, go. Right, go. Control, go. Down, go. GNC, go.
What is up, YouTube? Today, me and Harrison we're team. What are we doing?
What? It's fine.
What? Okay. What up, YouTube? Today, I got my best buddy.
Hi. No, I mean, I was gonna go with that best buddy. I mean, but I see how I am. You see our stance.
What's up, YouTube? I'm stuck with this kid all day.
Yeah, H to the A to the R to the R to the I to the S to the O to the N. Spells Harrison. There ain't no comparison. Try to battle me, that can get a little embarrassing. Let me tell you something that you should know. Don't mess with me or ruin my flow.
Hey, 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 hey,
A to the A to the R to the R to the I to the S to the O to the N. A.
What's up, YouTube? Today, I'm out here with Harrison. We're gonna call him Little Tack. Is that what is gonna be your pilot name?
If I was a pilot,
Yes.
actual pilot.
If he was actually a real drone pilot, what is gonna be your pilot name?
See, I ain't about that bandwagon stuff. So,
Yeah. You're just gonna be Harrison.
I'm gonna be.
I mean, the best. Some of the best pilots just go by their name. Johnny, FPV.
No, I'm gonna be Prop Nut.
That's taken.
Dang, really?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll be Little Tack.
Prop D's nuts.
Yeah. Prop these nuts.
D's prop nuts.
No, actually, I have a thing though.
You have a thing?
Yeah.
What is it?
Little Tack.
No. I mean, if you don't be Little Tack, that's fine with me.
I mean, hold on, wait.
You need your own name, son. We'll just worry about that later. Maybe down in the comments.
We'll come back when we got one. We'll come back.
We'll get some comments. Maybe down in there comments for some
annoying
names.
FPV.
What?
Annoying FPV.
Annoying
Not funny FPV.
That you know.
That kid FPV.
Yeah, you got to live up to your name.
I mean,
You're doing pretty daggum good.
I'll be annoying FPV. That works. Just tell me another one that's better.
Well, anyway, today we're out here first before everybody else shows up. We're gonna try to get him a little warmed up because he hasn't flown in a while.
I don't need one.
It's been he says he don't need to warm up, but he hasn't flown in a while. But I'm gonna try today to get record everything I possibly can for you guys. I got the vlog camera out here. We've got the Heckle cam.
Ooh,
We've got a chesty cam. We've got the Mavic, and that's it. Oh, we got the hoverboard, like true vlogging style. We've got I can't afford a one wheel or boosted board, so I got the hoverboard. So let's get to some ripping, maybe some B-roll. I don't know. Let's play it by ear. I'm just gonna film crap. I'm gonna go home and edit it and then give it to you guys. So here we go. He has like an old run cam.
Telemetry recovered. Now I'm black. I'm still black. Yeah, still. Do you see that too? Yeah. Like you can see there's like things in front of you. I'm on F8. Are you on F8?
That's the same thing.
Yeah, I'm on racing. Well, now I'm black. With like.
How you don't want to just go?
Did you throw it?
Yes, I threw it. You armed it while it was in my hand. I'm over here trying to diagnose the damn problem. How could you just go? You have to be looking in the back of my car.
I couldn't see the back of your car. It's just black. It was black. I said let's just go.
Never go when it's black.
He's like, I'll just go. I'm like,
Well,
can you see now?
Yeah, I can see now, which is weird. Maybe it was a throw. Please, I beg you, please put it in there. Please, 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 please.
Please what?
Dad,
Yes.
Daddy.
Please what?
Huh?
Please what?
Please put my footage in your video.
Okay.
So, Jason, guess who gets to fly today?
I heard you already flew and broke everything, and you're no longer ever allowed to fly again.
Yep, you're right.
This is gonna be a long video, so y'all might as well just sit back and relax and enjoy, because I'm gonna try to like document everything that I possibly can. So first off, I thought I charged the little GoPro that I was gonna let Harrison use. Thought I charged it last night, but apparently I didn't. So we're starting out the day with a completely dead GoPro, and that's kind of hard to maintain, you know, get one good and charged when you're starting out with it completely dead. But anyway, he's doing a little swap of a prop swap, and I'm charging this GoPro, so that's what's happening.
Look at his gut cam. There you go. Straight gut, nothing but gut. No controller possible. It's good.
Do you really think that'll make the edit?
It will make the edit.
It won't make the
It
edit.
really will. I'm gonna make sure it goes in. Look, there's the camera and there's the controller. But wait, you just see gut, no controller. Ah, gut cam. Yo, Dad, is that gut cam? Is that gut cam?
Shut up, kid.
Bro, do you see that? Do you see that gut? You see that gut? It's just gut cam. You see it over there?
That's what I was gonna be in the vlog.
That's what you're gonna be in the vlog about. Oh, this is funny. This is real funny right here. Get that stance.
I'm trying to get my
Spread them legs.
my lighting good. My lighting good on my stick cam. Oh crap, the leaves are gone on that little tree. Totally went to the road and didn't mean to. Oh shit! I saved that son of a bitch. Save that shit, damn it! Get some cricket action. Not happening. No. That would be sweet.
2 milliamp powered.
Yay! Okay, so I hope I haven't bored y'all too much with this video being about probably 25 minutes at this point, but we are going to go over to David's that's just doing circles with me, Mookie, FPV. We're going to go over to a little secret little hideout he has and see what we can do over there. So let's do that. Well, we made it out here to Mookie's little spot. Thanks for having us, Mookie.
Welcome.
Awesome. Harrison tried to fly line of sight a while ago and crashed and about put a hole in my daggone tent.
You can put that in there.
Did you have the GoPro running?
Yes, you was running.
Idiot.
Okay.
Okay, check out the footage of Harrison running into the tent with the daggum quad a while ago.
Put your car. We're good.
So let's see what we got here at this spot. Anyway, thanks for watching this crappy vlog or whatever it was that I put together. Thanks for David for having us out here again. Captain Sweetbeard got Hula in the house. He showed up. He ain't ripped yet, but he will. Harrison did all right today, I think, except for a few things like tried to kill me and tried to kill Lou. So yeah, look down in the description. There's stuff in there that y'all can buy. See ya.